Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft a trapdoor in Hytale. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually craft a workbench. The way you do that, you press tab on your keyboard to open up pocket crafting and then click here on workbench. You just need 4 pieces of any tree trunk, 3 pieces of any stone, and then I want you to craft this up. And then I want you to come here and press F on the workbench, and then you click on this icon to open up the crafting menu. From here I want you to click on Builder's Workbench, and to go ahead and craft this you need 6 pieces of any tree trunk, 3 pieces of any stone. Craft up your Builder's Workbench and then go to it and press F. So just place it down, press F, and you need to input some logs. So I want you to go ahead and put a log. I'll go and use this redwood log, and here you should actually see the trap door. So we have this one, a lumberjack trap door. So I'll go ahead and craft this up. As you can see, I'll bring my log back and I'll go ahead and place it down just to show you how it actually works and demonstrate it for you. So here I'll place my trap door. Go ahead and right click here, and as you can see I can press F to interact with my trapdoor. And there you go, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.